To invest or not to invest? That is the question this morning as the stock market soars ahead while the real estate market takes a plunge. Jim Cramer is host of CNBC's Mad Money and Barb Cramer is today's real estate analyst. Good morning to both of you. Come to the right spot here this morning. Jim, I'm going to start with you because a couple of months ago we were here talking about the market taking a huge plunge. Now it is soaring. What happened?
We realized that the mistake of the sell-off, and it really was a mistake, was very much computer generated. There was a breakdown in the systems. It caused a great buying opportunity. That was 800 points ago. I sat here and just said, you got to go all in. It was a great moment to buy.
So who's making money right now?
I'll tell you. Unfortunately, I could say that the rich did get richer. They stayed put. A lot of the regular everyday investors got spooked.
Scared, absolutely.
And that was wrong. It was like a big sale at the mall. You can't run from it. You should be running to it.
Well, can you run to it now? Is it too late to get into the game?
I don't want to say that because I like the market over the next 6 months. But you did just miss 800 points. The idea it could pull back a couple hundred is when you can get back in.
All right, let's talk about housing market now, Barbara, because it has dropped 8.4% last month. What does that say about the housing market overall?
It means, number one, that there are 8% fewer houses that traded last month, which means that there are a lot more houses on the market. What it also means is that people don't know which way this market is going. It's caused mass confusion. It's not a buyer's market. It's not a seller's market. It's an in-between market. And when you have those in-between markets, it creates confusion. And confusion, I always believe, begets bargains.
So what if I'm somebody looking to buy a home? What advice would you give me?
The best advice is the real advice. Now's the time to make a deal. Now's the time to put in an offer on an overpriced home, an overstuffed home, a dump, or anything that's been languishing on the market for 3 months or more. It's the time where you can put in a bid on a house you love and nobody's going to slam the door in your face.
Yeah, but I bet a lot of people think if I wait a little bit longer, the prices will go down even more.
Well, there are markets truly that you should be on the sideline and you should be waiting because they're taking a tumble. But then there are also markets that have already bounced up off the bottom and it's too late to get the best deal.
Okay, I'm going to ask you both, starting with you, Jim. Best place to invest your money, stocks or the housing market?
Oh, I think stocks are just a layup versus housing. She talks about selective merchandise. We've got 500 stocks, the S&P 500. I like most of them, if not all of them.
So you would not put it in housing?
No, no, I'm still in the run from. I understand distressed properties, but there are so few distressed stocks. When the whole market looks good, I want to go higher. I think there'll be more distressed housing, not less, which makes me really reluctant to plunge in that market.
And Barbara, Jim is a genius when it comes to this, so obviously you agree with him?
No, I don't really agree with him, I must say, and I'd love to sell this character a house right away.
Oh, no, I'm full,
I don't think he's buying.
I'm full boat houses. I don't need another one.
All right, well, I don't know what we got out of this, folks, but anyway.
Buy stocks, okay?
Or a house. Jim Cramer, thank you so much. Barbara Corcoran, as usual, thank you as well.